So this is one of those weeks where I, let's see what happened. I gained something, I lost something. So I lost my job. That kind of stinks. You know, corporate America is brutal, y'all. It's brutal. So 10 years, that's okay. I'm good. I'll find something else. Boy, I miss my coworkers though. But the good thing is, look at this here. I got a plat for a piece of land. So I'm pretty excited. The land next door to my tiny house, we got it the property line redrawn, so that now that little part that was in our bigger family, that's carved out and added to the new land for a total of 8. Oh my God, y'all, 8 acres. What am I gonna do? 8 acres. 8 acres. It's got a barn. It's got a pond. It's got a pond. See, so I'm good. I can take that bad news. So I'm getting ready to turn this here into the courthouse and make this official so that my name is on the deed. And that brings me a lot of peace knowing that when I work on the land and spend all this money, well, not anymore, but I'm gonna have to watch that money. But all the effort that I'm doing, I have a legal right to. So there's gonna be some fun. There's gonna be some fun times coming up. I can tell you that. Because when a girl from suburbs buys a farm, there's gonna be some crazy shit happen, y'all. That's all I'm saying. Okay, this lady's coming. I don't want to look like a weirdo. Okay. Look, y'all. Oh my God, it's got a barn. That's not even the best thing. Oh, what am I gonna do? Let me show you this real quick. That's supposed to be structured in this. Now I'm getting all excited. That will hopefully be a future home site. Yeah, that's why I want to do that tiny house. You can do something just out of nowhere. You gotta grow your skills. You know what my kids nickname this barn? The serial killer barn. Y'all, that's your barn now. So I've been kind of fooling around with this property for about the last year or so, but my name wasn't on the deed yet. And we still had some things to do to get the property line adjusted. So basically, the land on the hill that really wasn't that valuable to anyone but me, here's the hill going up there. We combined that with this land here. Look, I already started something. Had an arch. Fell down. I'm gonna fix that arch. But okay, we'll focus. Gonna focus. I'm gonna show you the one thing that's even more exciting than the barn. See my little trail? Okay. So my goals for this here adventure are pretty much going to be, I have to be self-reliant. I can't keep going down at my mom's forever and taking a shower down there and using her water and electricity to charge my batteries. So there are no working utilities on this property. That's okay though. This property's awesome. I'll show you the best part right here. Now it's kind of like that barn. Listen, it may be ugly at first, but you know, you gotta see through all the ugly stuff. Okay, here we go. You see it? It's a dried up pond. Y'all, it's a pond. Oh my God, it's a pond. And look, it even has like this little, look at it. It has like this little entrance. And you walk in and you have trees everywhere. Look at this. Look at it. Y'all, this is awesome. Look at that. Imagine seeing the stars up there. It's beautiful. Or creepy. You know, this could also be a great serial killer movie. Because here you have the sacrifice pit. Okay. I'm gonna stay my positive metaphors. But this pond's cool. This pond is cool. So gotta Got a dead pond. Have a dilapidated barn. No utilities. And what are my other concerns? Oh Lord, money. So I've spent a lot of money on the tiny house. I do not have a lot of money. And last important thing is I have to come do this on the weekends. This is not property I live nearby. So I'm going to tackle this here opportunity to get this set up, get the utilities, get some infrastructure in place. Right, you can see I started the road. Just clean things up a little bit, make it nice. But I don't have time to start a house yet. I gotta finish the little tiny house at the top that'll probably be repurposed for like a garden room or a hangout spot. But it's great I have it because I can't live in it, you know, because it's gonna take some time. Oh God, I'm out of breath, y'all. It's gonna take time. Because it took me a year. It's been over a year to build that little A-frame. Oh Lord, what am I doing? I can't not do it. There's a lot of interesting things here on this property. A lot of fun, random junk items, like big ass tires and exercise equipment. But look at this tree. That's a little tree platform up there. Look at this. Oh, I can just smell the potential. You know, when I think about it, here's what I really want. Growing up, this property over here at my grandparents', that was the family gathering spot. That was the hub, the magnet. And, you know, things change. And I want a new place that can be a family hut. That's got a serial killer barn,